بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ميم. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم. Welcome to ICFA International Institute. We would like to, insha'Allah ta'ala, go over this beautiful book, دروس اللغة العربية لغير الناطقين بها، الجزء الأول. The first book from the series of courses of Arabic language for non-Arab speakers, written by Dr. Abdul Rahim for MADINA Islamic University. The first lesson teaches us what is known in English as demonstrative pronoun, in Arabic as ismul ishara. Here it says ad-darsul awwal, the first lesson. In Arabic, we put the adjective before the noun. We put the noun before the adjective, pardon me. In Arabic, we put the noun before the adjective. That's the opposite of English. In English, the adjective comes, then the noun. Ad-dars, the lesson. Al-awwal, the first. Ad-darsul awwal, the first lesson. Hada, which means this or this is. We will say why it could be this is. Hada is written as this. You see, ha, alif, dal, alif. But generally it is written without this alif after ha. Ha, dal, alif. Hada is a demonstrative pronoun that is only used for masculine gender that is near. for masculine gender that is near. But what we need to know is that every single noun in Arabic is either masculine or feminine. Whether they are human beings or animated beings. Another difference that Arabic has from English, that the Arabic is from English. In English, only rational beings have she or he are given gender, female or male, feminine or masculine. But the irrational beings, they use it. In Arabic, everything has a gender. Every noun, be they human or non-humans. هذا, this, or this is. We have here هذا بيت. هذا is a pronoun, and all pronouns are nouns. Baytun is a noun. So to form a sentence in Arabic, one needs at least 2 words. And these 2 words can be either 2 nouns or a noun and a verb, but a sentence can never be created in Arabic without a noun. You cannot create a sentence in Arabic without a noun known as ism. There are 3 types of words in Arabic: al-ismu, al-fi'lu, and al-harfu. Al-ismu, ism, known in English as noun. Al-fi'lu, known in English as verb. And al-harf, that can be translated into English as particle. Harf that has meaning. You have 2 types of harf in Arabic: harfu mabna and harfu ma'na. What we need here is harfu ma'na, harf that has meaning. Ismu is a noun. What is a noun? A noun is every single word that has meaning in itself and does not have to do with time. That's the ism. When you say baytun, a house, has nothing to do with past, present, or future. Fi'lu, verb, is a word that has meaning in itself, but has to do with either past, present, or future tense. Harf is a word that has a meaning, but not in itself. It doesn't have independent meaning. The meaning cannot be completed except if it is linked with another word, such as ismo, min, from, ila, to, from where, ila, to where. So those prepositions are harf in Arabic. So here, to form a sentence, we have two words, hada and baytun. Hada, baytun. Hada means this, baytun means a house. And if you put them together, you have hada, baytun, this is a house. So how can you say that hada means this, baytun means a house? Then put together you have this is a house. What is the is? In Arabic again, we do not have a corresponding word to is. Arabic has no word corresponding to the English is, i.e., Arabic has no copula. Arabic has no copula. So the is hidden, muqaddar. You just assume that it is there. It is hidden. It is not pronounced. Hada baytun. This is a house. How do I know that this baytun means a house, not the house? Because it has tanween at the end. It has tanween at the end. There is no word in Arabic corresponding to a in English, as in this is a house. The N sound at the end of the Arabic noun, baytun, is the Arabic indefinite article corresponding to the English a or n or n, sorry, to the English a, like a house, a house, or an, like an article. This n sound is called tanween. Tanween means nunation, to make it sound as like a noon. Nunation makes the end of the word sound like a noon, or make the noon sound at the end of the word. Hada baytun. So baytun, this tanween tells us that baytun is indefinite. So tanween represents a. Hada baytun. This is a house. Okay. If it was the house, al baytu, you would have the article definite al baytu. Then whenever you have al, you cannot have tanween at the end of that word. Al doesn't like tanween because they are opposite. A house, you cannot say that. You can say a house or the house. A house, baytun. The house, al baytu. Al baytu without two dhamma, with only one dhamma. So when you say hadha baytun, you're saying this is a house. This is a house. Next thing, hadha masjidun. This is a masjid. This is a masjid. Times they translate it as mosque, but I don't like the word mosque. Masjid sounds better. Beautiful. Hada masjidun. Again, don't say haza. No, some people say haza. Oh, that's not good. As they call their ustad, they call him ustaz or ustaz. Ustaz. No one says ustaz. We don't say ustaz. It doesn't sound like z either. The, it doesn't exist in English. The, maybe the that is in th would represent it, but there is no one letter. When you say the house, the, that the is equal to the, not the, but the, ذال, the, هذا مسجد, this is a masjid. هذا باب, this is a door. هذا كتاب, this is a book. هذا قلم, قلم, qalam is not a throat, qaf is not a throat letter. Qaf is a tongue letter, very close to the throat, you know, from the beginning of the tongue back right next to the throat, but it is the first tongue letter. So you have 6 throat letters: hamza, ha, ayin, ha, ghayn, kha. But 18 tongue letters, and the first one is qaf, and 4 lips letters, you know, fa, waw, mim, ba. That's the Arabic alphabet, 28 letters, 6 from the throat, 4 from the lips, the remaining 18 from the tongue. So forget about the jaw letters, because that's something else. هذا قلم, this is a pen. هذا مفتاح, this is a key. This is a key. هذا مكتب, this is a writing table. Writing table, a desk. هذا سرير, this is a bed. هذا كرسي, this is a chair. All right. Now we're going to next page. And what do we have here? We have هذا, and right before it we have ma, هذا, with علامة الاستفهام, question mark. Ma means what. هذا means this. And we said that is does not have a corresponding word in Arabic that is pronounced. So it is hidden, muqaddar. Ma hada, what is this? Lilan. Ma hada. Ma is for irrational beings. What? Ma means what. You cannot ask about someone and say ma hada. We're gonna learn how to say that, inshallah, in this lesson or in the lesson to come. Ma is for irrational beings. هذا is for both rational and irrational beings. ما هذا? What is this? ما هذا? What is this? هذا بيت. This is a house. Now we have one thing new here. هذا بيت. So هذا بيت means what? This is a house. Now you have Hamza with Fatha right before the sentence of هذا بيت, followed by a question mark. That means it is a question. So another form of asking question is to put the particle Hamza at the beginning of a statement. Whenever you put a particle Hamza at the beginning of a sentence, it turns it into a question. Example, أهذا بيت? Is this a house? You see, it's not, it doesn't mean the same thing as ma. Ma means what? Ma hadha, what is this? You cannot say ma hadha baytun. Where is this a house? That's not good. That's not correct. Ma hadha, what is this? You see something, you don't know what is it, what it is. You say ma hadha. You see something, you think it is such and such. You say, is this so and so, or is this such and, ahadha baytun. Is this a house? You see something that looks like a house. You want to confirm, you want to make sure. Is this a house? Na'am. The answer is yes. Na'am. This na'am. Yes. In Arabic, we say na'am to say yes. Hadha baytun. This is a house. You ask your friend, ahadha baytun? Is this a house? Ahadha baytun? Is this a house? And he says, Na'am, yes, hadha baytun. This is a house. Ma hadha, what is this? Hadha qamisun. This is a shirt. Ahadha sarirun? Is this a chair, a bed? Ahadha sarirun? Is this a bed? Now you have a new word here. La, no. Hadha kursiyun. This is a chair. La means no in Arabic. The opposite of na'am. 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 Not na'am or na'am. No, na'am. Ayn is a throat letter. It is pronounced from the middle of the throat. From the what is known as Adam's apple. I don't know if Adam ate apple tree or no, and I don't know why this very thing in our throat is called Adam's apple. Whoever it may be, that is where the makhraj of ayn is. Na'am, yes. La, no. Then you see something like this, you think it's a key. You say, ahadha miftahun? Is this a key? Then your friend says, la, no. Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. La, hadha qalamun. This is a pen. The last one from page 6. Ma hadha, what is this? You see something, you're asking, what is this? Hadha najumun. This is a star. This is a star. All right. Okay. So we learned from this lesson, hadha. Ismul ishara, hadha. Demonstrative pronoun, hadha, this. Hadha is used for masculine that is near, to point someone or something that is near, and he or she is he or it is masculine. هذا. Okay, and we also know that the tanween represents the article and definite in Arabic. Number 3, it was number 2, but now let's call it number 3. We learned that Arabic has no word corresponding to the English is. Arabic has no copula. Arabic has no copula. So when you say هذا بيت, between هذا and بيت, the is hidden somewhere. You know, you cannot see it, but you have to say it. هذا بيت. You have to feel it. In Arabic, you don't say it, but you feel it. This is a house. You know, you don't see it, but it is in your in there. It is muqaddar. You know, it is as if it is there. I hope you understood. هذا بيت. هذا بيت. This is a house. Okay, so we learned also how to ask a question. When you have هذا, which means this, and you want to know what is it, what it is, you put ma before هذا. Ma what? Ma هذا, what is this? And you see something, you may think it is something, but you're not sure. Maybe you want to ask your friend for confirmation. You use particle hamza before the sentence. Ahadha baytun. You had hadha baytun, this is a house. Now, when you put particle hamza before the sentence, hamza changes, turns the statement hadha baytun into question. Ahadha baytun. Is this a house? Then another new word we learned is how to say yes in Arabic. Na'am. Na'am. And how to say no in Arabic. La. La. You also learned how to say a house in Arabic. Baytun, a house. A masjid, masjidun. A door, babun. A book, kitabun. A pen, qalamun. A key, miftahun. A desk or writing table, maktabun. A bed, sarirun. A chair, kursiyun. All right. Yep. So we have Tamrin 1. Tamrin 1, I'm gonna just show it to you and you do it. Tamrin 1, ma hadha, ma hadha, ma hadha, ma hadha. Tamrin means exercise. Exercise 1. Tamrin raqm 1. Tamrin 1, exercise 1. Then we have exercise 2. Ahadha baytun. Then you answer. Ahadha miftahun. Then you answer. Ahadha qamisun. Then you answer. Ahadha najmun. You write your answer. Exercise 3. Tamrin raqm 3. Iqra, read, waktub, and write. You're gonna read and write. Okay, هذا مكتب, هذا مسجد, هذا قلم, until the end of it. Okay, Then the next lesson will be man hada. Man means who. The opposite of ma, which means what. Do these 3 exercises and you send your answers to icfaonline@gmail.com. You can also use the comments for your answers. For more lessons, please join us at ICFA Institute by registering at icfaonline.com. You will find there are different levels for both kids and adults. It was your brother Mouhamed Sakho. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم